Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Cat S53 and let me share with you how to change this navigation type with the buttons to the gestures. So first of all, we have to find and open the settings, and then let's scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now we have to tap on the gestures, and as you can see in the second position we've got the system navigation, so let's enter. And here we've got of course two different options from which we can choose. Currently we've got the 3-button navigation and we've got also the gesture navigation. So let's tap on it to activate that, to apply it. And as you can see, immediately instead of the 3 buttons navigation, we've got this line which will be responsible for particular gestures. As you can see, your device will not open the tutorial for some reason. All you can do to learn how to use the gestures is to basically use this animation, but no worries, I'll show you and explain how the particular gestures work, so you will be able to recreate my steps and to learn. Here we've got also the settings, thanks to which we can customize the gestures, and we've got only the back sensitivity switchers. Basically, I highly recommend to come back to this option after a while of using the gesture, so for example a few days or a week, because thanks to this you will be able to decide whether you need the sensitivity to be higher or lower. It's up to you. Basically you will be able to change the area of this blue area which will be responsible for the back gesture. I will leave it like this. As I said, come back to this option whenever you will be ready. So right now a quick tutorial of how to use the gestures. So if you want to get back to the previous page just by using the back button, you can of course use this arrow, and the gesture for it is to swipe your finger from the side to the center of your device until you will see this arrow, and after releasing the finger you will simply get back. And it doesn't really matter if you will do it from the left side or from the right side, it works the same. If you'd like to get back directly to the home page, all you have to do is to swipe your finger from the bottom to the center. It should be a short and a quick motion, just like that. And as you can see, here we've got the home page. And in order to open the recents, you have to repeat the gesture. So from the bottom to the center, but this time do it kind of slowly and hold your finger in the middle, just like that. And after releasing the finger, you can see that here we've got the recents. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to set the gestures in your Cat S53. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.